Hello friends, welcome to Smart Kids. In today's video, we will discuss three topics on what are the different ways to help children learn to. The first one is how to teach kids to write their name. The second one is how to teach their name spelling. And third one is how can they identify their name among so many names. Before I start the video, I want to tell you, if you are new to this channel or if you not subscribed yet, please subscribe to my channel. So let's start our activity number 1. In this activity, we have to take one paper and write down your kid's name. For explaining this activity, I am taking name Riyansh as an example. This activity is very simple. First, I will write name Riyansh at the top. Then in next line, I will keep first letter space blank and write down remaining letters of the name. That is I, Y, A, N, S, H. In second step, I will keep first and second letter space blank and write down remaining letters of the name, that is Y, A, N, S, H. In this way, in every step, I am increasing one blank space. And finally, I will get whole name as blank, 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 blank space. Now start this activity with kids. What kids will do here? Ask them to fill the blank spaces correctly by observing above line. So let's see how they will fill the blank space. In first step, they will write letter R. So his name will complete Riyansh. In second step, two spaces are blank, so he will fill R in first space again and I in second space by observing above line and complete his name Riyansh. Here three spaces, so R-I-Y. Then four spaces, so he will fill R-I-Y-A. In next step, there are five spaces blank, so he will fill R-I-Y-A-N. And in next step, one more letter is adding. Finally, kids can write his whole name Riyansh. As you can see, only in one time, this activity gives you a number of attempts to write down their name. And this is the reason they can write their name in few time practice of this activity. If your kid is good in writing first name, then he or she can practice with middle name as well as with last name. I will explain this activity one more time at the end of this video for giving you a clear idea. We found so many times that kids know all the letters of their name, spelling, but when they write it, they sometimes exchange the letter space and ultimately spelling will be incorrect. To learn them their spelling perfectly, we have another activity, and that is activity number 2. This is name puzzle activity. In this, on one paper strip, I write down name Riyansh and cut all alphabets or letters from one another. In short, I separate all letters by cutting with scissors. You can see here, I cut it like all cutting line should different from one another. Then only when we solve like a puzzle, it will get match. Now let's see how to do it. First I will mix it and then ask to my kid to arrange it. So let's see how he will do. You can see here, after Y only A will fix. Instead of A, if you fix H by mistake, it will not match. So your kid himself come to know that it's incorrect and he will try to correct it. In this way, he can arrange it letter of his name and he learn his spelling. They will play like it's a fun game. next third activity is how can they identify their name among bunch of different names. For this, I took one paper and write down his name 3 to 4 times along with other name. And now I will ask him, find your name and highlight it. Trust me, they will very happy by finding and highlighting their name. Whatever activity we saw here, if you practice with your kids, very soon they will write their name correctly and can identify them. Here I am showing you step by step procedure of activity number 1. Here I wrote name Saisha. As I am doing it, you can do like that. I hope you like all these 3 activities and you will practice with your kids. Play and have fun. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care.